First, I start with an idea. Then I set my background to transparent. It was a simple composition, so it didn't take much for me to set it up. This house, I have it as an asset, so I decide to reuse it. Did some basic shade on the house and render it out. After I render the image, I bring it in a painting software. You can use any painting software of your choice. Then I do a paint over. For each element, I paint it on a different layer. After that, I bring it into After Effects for animation. I will leave a link in the description to show you how I animate the grass.